it's really hard. It's not as smooth as this one. So this is the DSR 200 and we're having issue with the front brake. It's stiff. I already serviced this one. I removed it, I clean it, I bleed it, remove the air, but it only improved very little, and it's difficult to find parts for this bike. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to replace the brake master. See, it looks very similar. Yeah, the most important part here is that it fits into the handlebar. It's a bit longer, I think, by a few, maybe 2 centimeters, but it's fine. It's actually better. So connection also is not a problem right there. You can see that. So it connects right through there for the brake light. I removed the old unit, including the electrical connection there. So the last thing I will remove is the hydraulic hose connection. Alright, it's connected. Yan. It's all brand new. Wow. Lambot. So let's see. Last. Yan. Brake is okay na. Yay. So let me just go through the process of what we did. So we remove the original brake master. Yeah, it's only connected via these 2 bolts here, and then via the hydraulic system is connected via this bolt right here. Yeah, it's hollow inside. The fluid goes through there. So every time you press the lever, it pumps fluid and pushes the fluid through the brake system, the caliper. And then there's also the connection there, the electrical connection, if you can see right there. Yeah, and yeah, there's the electrical, so hydraulic, and yeah, the bolt, and of course the what do you call that, the side mirror is pretty standard. Yeah, it fits directly, yeah, like that. So I've checked the rear and it's also working, the brake light, so it's all good. And then lastly, after installing it, you need to, this is empty of course, you need to open it with just 2 screws right there, and then you fill it with fluid. After filling that with fluid, you need to do air bleeding to remove any trapped air, and which we already done, and there's actually a video in this channel, so you can watch that as well. So hope this helps you guys on how to replace a brake master or the brake lever of any motorcycle. Yeah. So the beauty about the brake master lever is that as long as it fits the handlebar, it doesn't have to be, specific to the model that you have, which most likely will be more expensive. Yeah, so I got an aftermarket. This is actually designed intended for a Suzuki Smash or a Suzuki Raider 150, but it fits perfectly here, so it is good, great value, and I'm quite happy with the performance of the brake. So as you can hear, it's a bit really soft, and the brake is very strong. So thank you, hope this helps. Bye.